Hey guys, this is Jason from SoCal Accessories. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install this like tablet holder. It's also like a little storage box. It's made to hold tablets. This is adjustable. I'll show you guys how it gets installed right now. It's pretty simple. All you do is lift this up. When you lift that up, you see the two little indentations there, and you have two here. So it gives you 4 screws with washers. Basically, you're just going to drill all 4 of them in, there and there, and it's going to hold on with those 4. So you have 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and 2 in the front right here. Before I try putting this, I'm actually going to start the holes first, so it will just make it easier when they need to go in right now. So the instructions say they're self-taps. They're not self-taps. I'll probably start off the hole with a self-tap so it could go in a little easier. Alright, I'm actually going to start the holes with a self-tap so it could be easier for the thread on the other one to go in. And we're going to do this before we actually put the box on to make it a little easier. Alright, so now that the 4 holes are made, they give you 2 gaskets, one thinner one thick one. They do not say where they go. They're not long enough to basically go all the way around. I'm going to put them on without the gasket. Like these OEM plastics don't have no gaskets on them anyways, and they're fine. If I feel like too much dirt gets in here or something where it ends up bothering me, I'm probably going to buy a gasket that's somewhere in between these two for how thick it is. And I'll probably I'll take off the 4 screws, lift it up, and put it. That's only if I feel like too much dirt is getting in. For this gasket, I just feel like it's not long enough to go all the way around, so I'm not even going to bother. If I try putting it here, it's going to end right there. If I put it here, it's only going to cover this half, and then there's nothing going to be in the front and back. So I'll let you guys know how it goes without the gasket. For now, we're just going to put it on with the 4 screws. I'll do a review after I go off-roading, let you guys know how much debris or dirt gets in there. So basically, you just put it like that. You don't want to over tighten if you're using a power tool. You'll break the plastic. Alright, so the 2 front ones are in. So they don't go straight, they go a little bit at an angle. So the front ones you guys want to tighten to get rid of that gap. You're going to see the plastic flex a little bit. So these are all tight. After you're done doing that, you just pop this back in. So this, to open and close it, you just push this down. If you want to adjust this to whatever size tablet you're going to be using, I just have this old one right here for an example. But basically, you got to unscrew this. This isn't like spring activated. So you got to unscrew this and basically adjust it to wherever your tablet will fit. So just for example, this one slides down right there. Get this popped in, and then loosen this, push it down right here, and then tighten this back up so that it will actually hold it in place. You don't want to leave this loose and have your tablet go flying off on you when you're driving. So I'll do a review, let you guys know how it holds up, how much debris gets in there from the dirt, if I'm going to add the gasket or not. But realistically, I don't think I will be adding the gasket since none of the OEM plastics have gaskets anywhere. It should be fine. So hopefully this video helps you guys on how easy this is to install. If you want to leave your phone charger in here, you do have that OEM 12-volt plug. So I'm going to probably put my phone charger here, and when I take my phone with me to play music, I'll leave it in here instead of in the glove box. I'd rather have it somewhere here where it's more accessible to me while I'm driving, if I want to pull it out, change some music or something. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you guys want to see more videos on how to install easy stuff on here, or some of my other projects I got going on. Hey guys, so my overall review for this box, let's see how much dirt got in there. I mean, it's not too big of a gap. I guess we could close up those gaps up there if we add some foam. We may do that later. The biggest area that I noticed dirt coming in from was this, which I didn't notice that opening earlier. I'm just assuming because it's meant to have an iPad, they probably leave that gap so you can run a charger cable out here to have it charging if you need it. I'm most likely gonna probably just put a piece of Flex Seal tape behind that just to cover up those two at least. Besides that, a lot of the reviews I've seen said that this doesn't hold phones. Most likely people probably put the phone without being in a case. I had my iPhone right here because I didn't take my tablet. I had it standing up right in the middle, and it held my iPhone great. I was driving this thing really fast and the iPhone didn't detach from here. I have mine in an OtterBox case, so all the reviews that say that it doesn't hold your phone for crap, most likely they probably have their phone without a case. So yeah, if there's no case, there's nowhere for it to really grip on. The phones are really smooth, so it probably slides out like that. But with the case, it held in great, so I'm assuming when I put a tablet on there, it's going to be even better. So that's my overall review for this item.